If Find My says your Apple Watch is playing a sound but you can't hear it, this setting is usually the reason. First is open the Find My app on your iPhone. Tap Devices, then select your Apple Watch. Apple explains that the play sound feature only works when the watch is online and powered on. If the watch shows offline, it won't ring. Then tap Play Sound again and wait a few seconds. Apple notes that the sound starts quietly then increases in volume gradually. If the watch is nearby, wait at least 15 to 20 seconds before stopping the sound. This prevents missing the initial low volume alert. And then if the watch still doesn't ring, check silent mode and focus modes. Even though Find My overrides silent mode, extremely low volume or low power mode can reduce alert volume. Then open the watch app and click sound and haptics and raise the alert volume. Make sure low power mode is off. After confirming connectivity, waiting for the sound ramp up and adjusting volume your Apple Watch should ring properly using Find My. This fixes most Find My sound issues officially.